wanna drop it, stop it, do you want?
We're on the way to Pilates. We're late. So, we are missing the Pilates class because I cannot drive in Dallas for nothing. Like, I miss every exit every time. So we're trying to find a different Pilates class. So I pulled over so we can find a different Pilates class. But yeah, it's just honestly so humbling here. So we missed our exit. We couldn't book a Pilates class, so we booked one for 2 o'clock. Now we're at this place called Melrose. Let me show you. Wait, can y'all see that? Hold on. Melrose. Because we're on a hunt for... don't look into my purse. We're on a hunt for the Ed Hardy tracksuit. Yeah, because why is he up in my business? Like, mind that business is still over there. Oh, we're looking for Ed Hardy's tracksuit.
Yes, in black, red, pink.
Come on. Oh, literally just opened. No one's in the store. We're trying to find it. You could have asked, like, alright, we're at Ross. We're trying to find. We're trying to find a mirror. Yeah. Find my mirror. Yeah. Give me. I bet. Yeah, I'm gonna show you what we got from the store. Okay, my camera died, so I'm on my phone, but you know, y'all get it. These, stop, because they're so cute. Okay, you go. Like, okay, you go.
I got this little bedtime set and the little shorts, and it says "I love my bed," and then it says "Love my bed." It's so cute, so cute.
And then I also got these because they're just like so cute. Like these, so cute.
We got the same one out.
And then we're literally the same person. Like we can't do anything alone, so we both got. And they're like the little short ones.
Yeah, it's like a little sleep romper. Yeah. Little onesie. It's so cute.
Onesie. That's what's cool. I didn't take the tag off because we're about to put them in the washing machine. If you don't wash your stuff after you get it, you're literally sick and dirty.
Sick and dirty. Your turn?
No.
I got thongs.
Wow, I'm missing one.
What's she missing?
I don't know. That girl kind of didn't know what she was doing. So.
You got everything in there.
I thought I had another, like a set of shorts, but maybe. And then I got.
Oh no, you didn't. Didn't you get the sexy shorts?
Yeah.
Where is that? Did you pay for it?
Wow, I'm pissed. I got shorts on the butt. They said sexy on the butt. She didn't put them in there. How would you even know?
Yeah.
Oh, when I catch you, Ricky, when I catch you.
Items sold 8. Is that 8 items?
I don't know, but whatever. I got this set. It's like this with this. I low-key think I'm gonna wear it to like yoga or something, maybe Pilates. Not the other yoga, because that one had you sweating. I ain't gonna do that. But this is cute. Or just like to run errands, cute. Or to sleep, you know. I'm so pissed. I got shirts that said sexy on the butt.
Yeah, where is it?
We gotta go back.
Maybe fill out in your cart. But I got another set. It says "Too sexy to sleep," and then on the butt it says "sexy."
So cute. So sad. And then, oh, you didn't get this one. Okay.
I wanted this one. They didn't have it on my side.
So I got this. This one says "Kiss me on the butt."
Really
so cute. Love that. Love it.
Okay, and then I wanted just these little.
My hair looks so crazy. Y'all don't.
Little shorts. But then she couldn't find a tag, so I was like, oh, maybe it came with a shirt. So I picked out a random shirt. It says no thanks. So I feel like they kind of match.
That's cute.
It's cute.
To sleep.
And then
I got these, like just these yoga pants.
I wanted these so bad, but I forgot. I saw them at the end.
Yeah.
The last thing I got, pretty sure, I got knockoff boots. Bringing no chill vibes.
For the winter time. I I got this bedazzled pepper spray because one of my guy friends, he has my pepper spray and I haven't seen him in months, so I need to get another one because I need to stay. Let me open this actually so massive. And then I got this charger because I don't have the new, I only have the new iPhone charger. I don't have the, should we test it? Ooh, Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky. This one, and then I just got a cube. What else did we get? Wait, I already showed you guys that. I already showed them that. I already showed them this.
We weren't even meaning to do this. All we were going to do today was go work out.
We're trying to find an Ed Hardy tracksuit also.
Oh yeah, we didn't find the Ed Hardy tracksuit. So to the girl on TikTok who said that it was there.
Ooh, Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky.
Because you're a liar.
Let me show you the before. Minus, ignore all that, but okay, let me turn this on. Here's the before, and then we're gonna switch this carpet for that one. Stay tuned. Thank you. Okay, here's the final. I think I'm gonna eat it as a smoothie bowl instead of actual smoothie. So I could put like granola and get a little bit more nutrients because I didn't eat lunch. We just ate breakfast. And this is probably gonna be our lunch and then I'm gonna eat a dinner. Cute! Hey y'all! Back in business, thank you! It's been a minute. Me and Lucy, we're going to run our errands because we have so much to do today. I'm so happy to be vlogging. I'm so excited.
I know I was in it. I look so mean.
I got a new camera. I wore my glasses today, but we'll see because y'all know I just be stripping them off so quickly. New camera, new microphone. She got a wig and everything. I'm gonna show y'all later, but we're about to go run errands. We're gonna go to grocery stores. We're going to the hair store. We're going to a bunch of places, but yeah. See you soon. We're getting groceries, yeah.
Gorgeous, yes. Darling, pull out the glaze.
Lobster. Oh, we should make sushi. I don't care. Her is like, makes me want to like literally. Ooh, I love these little puff corn buttery balls. I think it's like baby food. Number one about she likes the most disgusting food. It's not disgusting. They're good. No, they're good. I can take that for my lunch. Put it in a basket. This is a baby food. I like baby food. Those little star things they be having in those little things. I like them. Thank you. I know you like those Swiss rolls. No, the fuck I don't. This is a non-cursing YouTube channel. Thank you. It's on.
So right now, we're getting syrup.
But I don't like light.
No, we don't have to get this one. But imagine my surprise when I wake up. That one has already went to work.
She's not pointing at me.
I am. That one's already went to work. I wake up and I'm like, I'm gonna make me a little breakfast. I put an egg and waffle in the toaster. When it's hot and ready, I imagine that there's gonna be syrup to put on it. Was there? No, there wasn't. Who do you think had the rest of the syrup without saying a word?
Not me. Nope.
Lying on the Lord's day.
We need granola bars. One more?
I don't want none of them.
Yeah, this looks kind of gross.
Here.
Okay. She just be doing all that talking. For real. She always telling me because I literally can't say it. Okay, we're getting jeans. Yeah, baby. Let me get this one. Queso.
And I'm not going crazy like this in Trader Joe's.
No, girl, look at the cart.
No, I'm telling you, I'm not going crazy.
Girl, you don't want to fall in 15 years. Alright. Let's go shoe stop. How much do you think we spent?
I think we spent 200.
Okay, so we were supposed to only spend 150 here.
Oh yeah.
I think we spent 173. That's low. Well, I'm hoping Sunday, maybe that's on my side. And I'm gonna let her follow stuff in, and I'm not gonna help. Doing good. No. Alright, y'all. Yeah. Okay, we spent. I gotta turn that off for a second.
You made it worse. I don't even know how you did that.
I pressed that auto button. Okay, we spent $242, which was well above our budget. Our budget total for groceries is $300 between the two of us. But we were only supposed to spend $150 here and then $150 between Walmart and Trader Joe's or HEB or wherever we went. But we spent $240 here, so we only have $60 to spend between Trader Joe's. Well,
And Walmart.
I don't know. We might go a little bit above the budget today, but it's okay.
Like, it's a big grocery haul. We usually wouldn't do that bad,
Yeah.
but we haven't gone grocery shopping like a big grocery haul since like I fucking moved in.
Yeah, so we needed stuff. We're gonna do a whole, this is the non-cursing.
Sorry.
Yeah. We're gonna do a grocery haul after, but yeah, now we're gonna go to Trader Joe's and Walmart. We have to go to HEB to get pressed juices though.
Yeah.
Because we've been trying to get juices.
Yeah.
I love this camera.
To be healthy, because we're on healthy, no eating out for real this month. Yeah.
Okay. Bye. Okay. We're now at Walmart. Trying to get us stuff.
She's right there.
Trader Joe's. Yeah.
You're not.
We spent entirely way too much at the stores. But we're gonna get flowers. Flower ones. And I think these other ones are cute, but I also like those. I'm gonna make it the cutest erase ever. We literally got so much stuff. Like, we got so much stuff. We literally got so much stuff. We got Popeyes because, you know, girl math, I'm gonna tell y'all about, we got so much stuff, so I gotta put all this away. Like, we got so much y'all know girl math is if you're at the store all day getting groceries, you're not coming back to cook. Like, you're gonna get something out to eat, right? Right. Thank you. Prepared to be amazed. This took so long, but we let it organize all of our stuff, like, so, yeah, you wish your pantry looked like that. Then we have like our toilet paper and stuff. I need to fix that a little bit, but yeah. And then we did our fridge. Our fridge literally is not big enough for like what I would like to do, but like we have our drinks there, our drinks plus eggs. So we have like all of our milk. I don't drink milk, but Elise does. We have our milk. I drink coconut milk. We have our juices and then like our probiotic. Destiny put me on this. We have all of our coffee, our creamers, and then we have like whipped creamer, what do you call it? Heavy whipping cream back there. And then we have our eggs. We have water bottles and any drinks. We have our protein shakes. And then all of our breads, wraps, well, our wraps, non-bread, and like dip. We have all of our meats and cheeses in here. All of our greens in here. And then we have our fruit in here. And we have all of our veggies in here. So I want to get all those little like containers, but we haven't got them yet. But essentially that's what we'll do. We have our butter and then our skincare fridge stuff in here, and then breakfast items, yogurt, turkey bacon, stuff like that. Then we have our cold pressed juices, kombucha, and then these like health shots in here. And then all of our sauces, and then all the stuff is Elise's. But like pickles and all that jazz. And then we have like our fruit over here. We still gotta like wash all this stuff, and like some veggies that we don't want to go inside there. We have our little wine drink area. Yeah. I still haven't given you guys a tour of my apartment, but I'm not giving you guys a tour until like everything is completely done. But like, oh, then I have to do my flowers. Okay, stay tuned for the flowers. Obsessed with these flowers. I got a box. I'm trying to make a fall little a fall set of flower arrangement. So stay tuned. Here's the before. Okay, I just finished doing my hair for work, but it looks so cute. Okay, see you tomorrow. Good night.